Good morning students. Now today we have to start exercise 9.2. Question number 1 is total number of animal in 5 villages are as follows. So here it is written village A is 80, village B is 120, village C is 90, village D is 40, village E is 60. Now you have to prepare a pictograph of these animals using one symbol. Symbol is given here, this one. Okay, a circle and one cross inside the circle. And here it is written to this symbol is to represent 10 animals and answer the following questions. Okay, so first of all, it is given that scale is given is equals to 10 animals. Okay, this is equals to 10 animals. So first of all, we will make a pictograph. So here we will write down village and here we will make symbols, and this is the scale which is already given here. Okay, now number of animals. This is number of animals. Okay, so first of all, what you will do, if you will see here, so in every village number of animals are the multiple of 10. So we will, whatever here it is given 10 na, so this one we will divide, means that given numbers we will divide by 10. Means in village A there are 80 animals, so we will divide this 80 by 10. So it will be 8. Yes, if you will see here, so this 80 is divided by 10, we will get 8 here. So it means we will make 8 symbols. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 symbols. Okay. Now next one, village B. Okay. Okay. Here is village B. So village B, 120 animals are there. If we will divide it by 10, we will get 12. So we will make 12 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now come to village C. Village C is having 90. So 90 divided by 10 will be 9. Yes. So 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cross them. Okay. This is for village C. Now for village D. In village D, it is 40, means 4. 40 means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now village E. In village E, it is given 60, means 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Got? So this is the pictograph. This is the pictograph of this question, and the next question what is asked is how many symbols represent animals of village E. So how many symbols are representing village E? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6 symbols. Next is which village has maximum number of animals? So if you will see here 1, 2, 3, 4, this one, village B. So first answer A is village E. Village E is representing 6 symbols. Okay. So B1, that which village has maximum number of animals, that is village B. Village B. Okay. Next one, which village has more animals, village A or village C? This is village A, this is village C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means 80 animals. And in village C, how many animals are given? In village C, 90 animals are given. So it means it is village C. Village C has more animals as compared to village A. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is total number of students of a school in different years is shown in the following table. Okay. Few years are given: 1996, 1998, 2000, 2002, 2004. Okay, number of students are given 400, 535, 472, 600 and 623. Now we have to prepare a pictograph using symbol. Symbol is given this one and it is written equals to 100 students. Okay, so this is our scale. Now we will make it. So again what we will do, in first year 1996, this is number of students. Okay, number of students. So year 1996, 1998 and then 2000, 2002 and 2004. Okay, now 1996, 400 is given, you will divide it by 100, we will get 4 symbols. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and next 1998 is given 535, means when we will divide it by 100, we will get 5.35. It means 5 complete symbols and 1 incomplete symbol. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 incomplete symbol. Okay. Now next is 2000. In 2000 again it is 472. Again 4 are complete symbols. 4 are complete symbols and 1 is incomplete symbols. Symbol. Okay. And 2002 is 600, means 6 symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And now last 2004 again 6 complete symbol and 1 incomplete symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 1 incomplete. Got? Now second question is, how many symbols represent total number of students in 2002? So first in 2002, how many symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 symbols. Okay. Now see the B1. B is, how many symbols represent total number of students for year 1998? So what you will write? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete and 1 incomplete. So 5 complete and 1 incomplete symbol. Okay. Now C is, okay, in A part, this is the answer of question number 2, A part, and B part is prepare another pictograph of students using another symbol, each representing 50 students. Which pictograph do you find more informative? Okay. Now see B part. This symbol is equals to 50 students. This is the scale and years are here. And what we will do, we will divide the given numbers with 50. Okay. So first one is given 400. If we will divide it by 50, 5 8s are. It will be 8 symbols. Okay. Next one is 535. So 535 by 50. Again it is 5 1s are 5 and 0.7. Okay, 107, that is 10.7, means around 10, means full 10 complete symbol and 1 is incomplete symbol. Next is 472. Again divided it by 50. So 5 9s are 45 and 5 4s are, and this one will come 94, means 9.45, means 9 complete symbol and 1 incomplete symbol. Next is 600. 600 minus divided by 50, so it will be 12 complete symbols. Next, last one is 623. 623 upon 50. So it is 5 1s are 5, 2s are 5, 4s are this one, 12 complete symbol and 1 incomplete symbol. Okay. Now if you will see then that which one pictograph is more informative, then you will write that Second pictograph is more informative. This one is more informative. Okay. So answer you will write that second pictograph is more informative. Okay. More informative.